Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. We have this short natural hairstyle that if you really want to skillfully enhance your features and balance your proportions, this cord needs the strategic length and distribution. One thing about the style is for women that have the oval face or the oblong faces, because it will surely benefit them from those coily bangs and those asymmetrical styles. One thing about the styles today is that the little hair that comes across the forehead sometimes softens your look while it's adding that unique silhouette. And at the same time, those asymmetrical pixies with that longer top swept to one side will really work great for women that have round face shapes. And we should give our thanks to those added movements, and those slimming silhouette, because you can see that even for the square shaped faces, we would need that extra movement and volume around the crown to always reduce the sharpness of the jaw line. And you can see how it will do the job just fine. So this style really creates the motion and dimension while it's still framing your face and always showing the natural curl pattern. So I love this style because it's easy to maintain, and most especially when you see the hair is kept short and precise. And don't forget to get your regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks, because it will help you prevent split ends, and it will always encourage healthy growth and give your short hair that most flattering shape you want. I want to say a big thank you for listening to my voice, and please watch this video to the end. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me, say you need time, and you know fit there with me. Not so hyper, anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so don't bang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song ain't my right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so if you help me see it, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so she don't break my heart. Can't take it no more, can't stand it no more. So go. If I die now, I go happy. Say when I did this world, I don't fall in love. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't no. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive to not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive to not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did?
But since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go. If you help me see a go, make you tell them I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my leg go. If you help me see a go, make you tell them I don't go. She no look me and so don't pang my leg go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see a go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so. If you help me see a go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so.